Transform TL Net Zero Strategy is a framework for the City of Toronto on how to achieve net zero emission, not only in the buildings, but also in transportation and every aspect of our daily lives. We are trying to push the boundary on what we can achieve in helping the environment, reducing the emissions, saving the energy that we use. The building that we're in right now it's located at 627 Queens Quay West. It's called Waterfront Neighborhood Center. It's composed of a school, a community center, as well as a childcare in one building. We noticed that the cooling tower as well as the chiller is due for replacement. There's a good opportunity to look into alternative system instead of a like-to-like replacement. And since we are situated right next to the water body of Lake Ontario, we start exploring the possibility of using the lake as an energy source for heating and cooling of this building. We set our target at 50% reduction in energy, as well as 60% reduction in emission.
Ecosystem is an integrated engineering and construction company in one outfit. One of the really unique aspects of the Waterfront Neighborhood Center project is determination of the city to demonstrate that bold projects, such projects that ask for really dramatic improvement in energy efficiency and decarbonization, are possible. They're practical and possible. When you have such bold outcomes that you need to achieve, you need to bring an integrated approach. You need the engineers and the construction people to work together. The construction people should be involved in the design, and the engineers should stay through construction and actually manage the construction and fine-tune it all the way to achieving those outcomes. We truly believe that engineers should be accountable for outcomes, and that method allows you to actually materialize and realize very audacious goals.
So the main two measures that we've done at the Waterfront project is a lake loop geothermal as well as a control system optimization. So we've retrofit the boiler plant as well as the chiller plant with a lake loop, which has allowed us to reduce the GHG emission by almost 80%. A lake loop geothermal is not more efficient than a traditional system because the lake is at fairly constant temperature all year long. So in winter, it might be minus 15 outside, but your lake will still be above zero.
The idea is very simple. We extract the energy from the bottom of the lake, and then we use it to cool and heat the building. This is a almost infinite energy source, and it's all renewable. There's no fossil fuel burning in the process.
I would definitely recommend the integrated process to do any complex or retrofit project, because now you're bridging the gap between theory and practicality, and you have a party that's accountable for the result and the outcome of the project, which is critical when you're doing a retrofit project in an existing building.
This is the first time the city has a system like this. It is very first of a kind to everybody in the city, and so we are glad that this project has been very successful and the building has been working very well. So yeah.